Welcome to Behold Cognition. In today's episode, we will be teaching you about astral projection. Have you ever astral traveled? Comment below and let us know your experiences. Let's get started. Astral projection is a spiritual practice that has been used by many for centuries. It involves separating one's consciousness or astral body from the physical body and traveling through the astral plane. While many people are interested in this practice, not everyone knows where to start. In this article, we'll share 7 steps to help you learn how to astral travel. Step 1. Prepare your space. Before you begin, it's important to create a safe and comfortable space for your practice. Find a quiet and private space where you won't be disturbed. Remove any distractions, such as electronics or noisy objects. Step 2. Relax your body. The second step to astral projection is to relax your physical body. Lie down or sit in a comfortable position and focus on your breath. Take slow, deep breaths to calm your mind and body. You can also use progressive muscle relaxation or other relaxation techniques. Step 3. Quiet your mind. Once your body is relaxed, it's time to quiet your mind. This can be challenging as your mind may want to wander. To quiet your mind, focus on a single object or sound. You can also try a guided meditation, visualization, or other techniques. Step 4. Enter a trance state. To achieve astral projection, you need to enter a state of trance. This is similar to a deep meditation or daydreaming state. To enter a trance state, focus on your breath and allow your mind to relax. You can also try binaural beats or other sound frequencies to help you enter a deeper state. Step 5. Visualize the separation. Once you're in a trance state, it's time to visualize the separation between your physical body and astral body. Envision a cord or rope connecting your two bodies. See yourself pulling away from your physical body and floating above it. Step 6. Explore the astral plane. Once you've separated from your physical body, you're free to explore the astral plane. You can travel to different locations, interact with other astral beings, or observe your spiritual self. Remember to stay grounded and focused during your exploration. Step 7. Return to your physical body. When you're ready to return to your physical body, envision yourself merging back into your physical body. Take a few deep breaths and allow yourself to fully reconnect with your physical sensations. Then, open your eyes and gradually sit up. Astral projection can be a powerful spiritual practice that enhances your connection with the self and the universe. By following these 7 steps, you can learn to astral travel and explore the limitless dimensions of the astral plane. Remember to create a safe and comfortable space, relax your body and mind, and practice visualizing the separation. With practice and dedication, you can make astral projection a valuable part of your spiritual practice. If you found this information useful, hit the like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for tuning in and thank you for your support. As always, we wish you peace, love, and prosperity.